Hi, in this video I will show you how to cast WhatsApp video on TV. So to cast a WhatsApp video through a TV, the process is simple and doesn't require any extra apps. First, open your WhatsApp and find the video that you want to watch on your TV. I have in here this video. So for this, click onto these three dots and click onto this save option right here. So once it's been saved, you can now find it into your gallery. So let's head over right here into our actual gallery. And then let's head over right here to our photos. And here it is. Next thing we need to do is to click onto this more page. And then we can see in here there's some more options. So as you can see, you can move, copy, hide, and rename it. However, if you want to cast it, click onto the share option. And then scroll down. And then for this part, just head over and then just swipe and click on show all. And in here, just scroll down until you can find the cast button. So if ever you can find it, you can just go directly right here into your settings. Click on this search and search in here for cast. So onto this cast right here, you can find in here and set up cross devices. Click on next. Then in here, just head over and then go over and then just try to set up right here this devices. So you can just cast your device using this way as well. So that's how you cast WhatsApp video on TV. Hope we help.